This is the food service elevator at 5th Avenue Place in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Westinghouse with EPCO itself from the 1980s. It's a very nice elevator. Must have wasn't able to film since it's very busy. That door has some issues. We'll go down to G1. These are the fixtures the main elevators used to have. Here you're down. Whoa, that door has some slamming issues. I'm not going to get off of G1 now. I'll just go to a service area. And this is the restroom corridor right by the food court. Here, G1. Take us garage level 1. Up lights up. Loading dock. We'll go back up to 2. Does not serve the first floor. Skips. Yeah, G1 is garage level 1. Yeah, EPCO SSL. Basically, it still serves solar cab. I'm pretty sure it is originally. Maybe wrong. This is MPH hydro. Emergency light up there. Yeah, this thing's not that great here. Back at 2. Indicator late. Changes very late. Down's burned out. Shoes. They're closest enough to India.